Hi kids, today we are learning modal verbs. Definition of modal verbs. Modal verbs like can, may, will and should express abilities, permissions and possibilities. Used with base verbs, they help make requests, give advice and discuss potential situations, making them key for clear English communication. Can. The purpose of can to expresses ability. Example, I can play the guitar. May expresses possibility or permission. She may win the contest. You may borrow my book. Might expresses possibility. It might rain. Could expresses possibility or permission. He could learn to ski. Could I skate with you? Should expresses an obligation. I should wash the dishes. Would expresses a request. Example, would you get the mail? Will expresses intended future action or a request. I will read a book next week. Will you water the garden? Must expresses a necessity. We must arrive on time. So kids, this is it for today. Hope you like my video. We will meet in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.